Sometimes it feels like you're just wandering through the world, through Earth even, and suddenly someone finds you, or you find someone. They may not always be there when you call them, but they will be there when you need them. The perfect foundation is not a galaxy away. Use the FB-Baddie Labs Shades Finder to find the perfect shade for you. With over 42 colors, you will be sure to find your perfect shade. Try FB-Baddie Labs Shades of the World Full Coverage Hydrating Foundation for 2-in-1 concealer and hydrator. This foundation is vegan and cruelty-free. At FB-Baddie Labs, we see you, and we lift you higher.